Once upon a time lived an old widow with her beautiful daughter named Darmi. They lived in a simple house that located at the end of the village. Since Darmi's father died, their lives became difficult. His father did not leave any inheritance, even a little to them. Her mother works on the other people's field as laborer.